evening mga ka-travel, another day, another travel adventure. And we are now at the runway of Changi Airport and the plane just take off. And we are on board of Swiss Airlines and our final destination is Zurich, Switzerland. And after 12 hours of flight, dito na tayo sa Zurich Airport. On the way tayo ngayon sa immigration, then after that, collect natin yung baggage.
And on your game mobile data yan?
After luggage collection, dito na kami ngayon sa my car rentals. Nagpa-reserve na kasi ako online, kaya ipipick up na lang namin dito.
It's almost April, but can you believe it? It's snowing in Switzerland. Even though it should be spring, it's supposed to snow down to 500 meters at the start of this week.
Meteo Switzerland has even issued a warning for the eastern Switzerland region all the way to Bern. Snow-covered roads and an acute risk of slippery conditions. So definitely be careful when driving, especially if the winter tires have already been removed.
Generally, from 700 meters above sea level, 15 to 30 centimeters of fresh snow are expected, and above 1,000 meters, even 80 centimeters are possible. The northern slope of the Alps and north and central Graubünden are particularly affected. It's expected to snow the most in Descentis in the canton of Graubünden and in Engelberg in the canton of Obwalden.
So it stays cold and wet. Spring is taking its time for now. So I wouldn't quite banish the winter jackets to the attic just yet.
And we are now at Laufen-Ubesen and we are going to see the Rhine Falls. And after 45 minutes of drive from Zurich Airport, nandito na tayo sa Rhine Falls. Around 35 to 40 kilometers away lang. Bacon. Souvenir.
I forgot my bag. Nandiyan mo na.
Letzten Ding da, ja, Leute, die Sachen. Ja. Ja.
Wow.
Ja, de dit is maar twee zaken die samen doen zijn.
It's cold. It's cold. At dito na tayo sa loob. Ito yung pinakamataas na viewing deck kasi parang 4 stages yung viewing deck at ito yung pinakamataas na area. Hello. Hi. Okay. Oh, it's video. I thought this. Okay, one more camera. 1, 2, 3. Come. Yeah, dito, mami, sa gilid ta. Hawak lang sa gilid oh.
Dati ikaw nilang mag-
At yan, nakikita na natin yung third stage ng viewing deck.
This is Rhine Falls in Switzerland, one of the most beautiful waterfalls in the world.
Accessible naman siya kahit madulas. Tingnan nyo si Lolo oh, nakatungkod pa siya pero kaya niyang bumaba dito. Ito yung view ng upper part ng waterfalls. Let's go, baba tayo sa second level o second stage viewing deck. At ito yung second level. Parang ka-level mo rito yung waterfalls itself. So, So let's go down to the lowest part of the viewing deck. Going down na tayo doon sa pinaka lower deck, ng lower stage ng viewing area na. Medyo maingay na rito at dito halos makahawakan mo na yung tubig ng falls. May tour dito na sasakay ka ng boat doon tapos dadalhin ka doon sa may mini plot. May option ka na umakyat doon para makita mo ang whole view ng waterfalls. Naman na tayo sa taas. Madulas ang hagdan kasi basa. Nag-snow kagabi, medyo makapal yung snow. Kaya makapal, nag-froze yung hagdan.
Wenn's mit mir kriegen, dann Schande über sie. Wieder den Gefangenen. Dankeschön, Jubel. Bravo!
You go straight, look at the bazaar first. Here, on the left side. But you look first at what they are cooking. Oh, barbecue. Sausage. Don't forget to like and subscribe mga ka-travel at pakipollow na rin ang ating Facebook channel. Wine tasting. At hanggang dito na lang ang ating video dito sa Rhine Falls. Thank you very much for watching and see you again in our next video. Goodbye!